Start. Welcome, my dear students. Today, the bone we will study is patella. Let us talk about patella under the following headings. First, type of the bone. Second, features of the bone. Third, attachments of the bone. Fourth, side determination. And fifth, ossification. See, this is patella. Patella is a sesamoid bone. It is the largest of all the sesamoid bones of the body. Patella ossifies in the tendon of quadriceps femoris muscle. This bone lies in front of the knee joint. Hence, it is also called kneecap bone. Now, let us know what are the features present in this bone. Patella presents apex, which is tapering and directed downwards. It presents a base or upper surface which is directed upwards. Patella is provided with two borders. Lateral border, this one is the lateral border, this one is the medial border. It has also two surfaces, namely anterior surface and posterior surface. So, patella is provided with apex directed downwards, base or superior surface directed upwards, two borders lateral and medial, two surfaces anterior and posterior. Apex of the patella, which is tapering and directed downwards, provides attachment for ligamentum patelli, which connects the patella with tibial tuberosity or tubercle of the tibia. The base or superior surface from before backwards provides attachment for rectus femoris, behind the rectus femoris, attachment of vastus lateralis, laterally, medially, vastus medialis. Vastus lateralis and vastus medialis lie in the same plane. Behind the plane of vastus medialis and vastus lateralis lies the vastus intermedius. The medial border of the patella provides attachment for the vastus medialis in its upper two-third and the lower two-third, lower one-third provides attachment for the medial patellar retinaculum. The lateral border of the patella provides attachment for the vastus lateralis in the upper one-third and the lower two-third provides attachment for the lateral patellar retinaculum. The anterior surface, which is convex, it is covered by the downward extension of the superficial fibers of the quadriceps femoris muscle. Between the anterior surface and the skin lies prepatellar bursa. Actually, prepatellar bursa separates the anterior surface of the patella from the skin. It is rather subcutaneous. Now, the posterior surface. Regarding the posterior surface, this one is the posterior surface. In the lower part of the posterior surface, we will find a rough area. This rough area is not articular. The upper part of the posterior surface is the articular one. One vertical ridge separates the articular posterior surface into a larger lateral part and a smaller medial part. So, lateral part of the posterior surface is larger than the medial part. Again, the medial part is divided into two by a vertical ridge. Into the medialmost small part and towards the lateral side largermost part. Now, the larger part of the medial portion along with the lateral part is divided by two horizontal lines into 6 areas: lower 2 areas, intermediate 2 areas and upper 2 areas. The lower 2 areas come in contact with the patellar surface of the femur in ordinary extension. The medial areas in semi-flexion and the upper areas in ordinary flexion of the knee joint. In a relaxed knee with full extension, the patella actually floats in the joint and does not make contact with the femur. Now, how to determine the side of patella? Above and below is known by the apex, which is tapering one and directed downwards. Anterior and posterior, it is known by the articular surface which lies posteriorly. Lateral and medial is known by the articular surface is larger on the lateral side. This is how we will be able to identify the side of the bone. So, this bone is of right side. This is the apex. This is the base, anterior surface. This is the posterior surface which is articular. Lateral portion of the posterior surface is larger than the medial portion. So, this bone must be of right side. Now, ossification. The patella ossifies from several centers, which occurs between 3 and 6 years and coalesce very quickly. That's all about patella.